I never thought my life would change like this. I was having just a normal life. The life as a creator who makes videos with my Sony gears and Blackmagic camera. Hi Ken, would you like to test some of our gears? Lumix. The new and bright light shines my future. The Lumix S5IIX. They reached out to me and let me try their gears. I've been using this camera for almost like 2 months. But wow, before I know, I became the huge fan of Lumix. I use this for my daily photos, vlogs, and YouTube videos and client works. Depending on how Lumix treats me, I think I'm ready for switching to Lumix. But anyway, also I am ready for sharing my thoughts about this gear. When I tried the Lumix S5II, I think I said Sony cameras were still better for shooting videos. But when it comes to this S5IIX, that means nothing. It's even better at some point. Okay, I just want to get out of this intro section as soon as possible and show you how great this is. If you're on the fence buying the pro spec video camera like Sony FX or Lumix S5II or Canon, I don't know much about the Canon, but yeah, someday I gotta make reviews of Canon. You should definitely see what this can be capable of. Okay, as always, before you getting into this video, please hit the subscribe if you haven't to grow this channel. I need your support. So, overall, this S5IIX is pretty much the same as S5II. The spec, the camera structure, and the photography performance, they are essentially the same. So this time, I'm not gonna dive deep in this topic, build quality. If you wanna know more about this, just watch the S5II detailed review. But only one build quality difference is, of course, the logo. This Lumix and this S5IIX. How cool it is. You know, this black logo makes the camera look good. And also, this allows you to reduce the reflection of those letters, by especially window and eyes. Except that everything is same. Weight, size, and holding feel, buttons, functions, yeah, everything is same. But I loved this design so much better. Come on, who hates this? But that's it, just a black logo. The one and only difference and upgrade is, of course, this Pro Spec video performance function. Both can shoot up to 6K, 30 FPS, including 5.9K, 3.3K, DCI 4K, and goes on. But S5IIX offers all all-eye recording, which has higher bitrate, while S5II has only long GOP. Long GOP. Am I supposed to say GOP or GOP? So simply S5IIX can have a bigger and richer data compared to S5II, so you can have more options in post-production. And here is the game changer. The one which changed my life and my filmmaking perspective. Apple ProRes Photo 2 recording through SSD. I always wanted something like this. If you do the external SSD recording, you can shoot on ProRes Photo 2 HQ, plus it's up to 5.8K, and the crazy high bitrate, which gives you those images with goosebumps. The color, oh my god.
I'm not sure if this has a great internal microphone or not, but just let me say something. I just love the Lumix color. OMG. This deserves OMG.
I can feel that pretty much same vibe as Blackmagic RAW. This amount of color information makes it easier to commit to the detail. Definitely this works amazing for making commercial or short film. What I want to say is this S5IIX is very close to the cinema camera image quality. But you can have those with this size and weight, you know? This is Blackmagic 6K without a lens, see? And this one is S5IIX. Come on. Of course, it's not RAW, but considering the camera size and this got amazing autofocus and image stabilization, this might be a much better option as the casual cinema camera. But if you want to turn this into a full cinema camera, you can do it with external recording through HDMI. 12-bit ProRes or Blackmagic RAW are available. This provides you more than the mirrorless camera is supposed to. what this can do is not a mirrorless camera. I mean, it's more than that, although it looks like a mirrorless camera. That's why I love it so much. That's why this changed my life a lot. Even when you shoot on ProRes Photo 2, AF and IS performance is not different. I haven't tested how they perform when it's 12-bit RAW through HDMI, but I guess it will be that different. Basically, you can understand S5II just got so much better in video performance. That means this S5IIX is the ultimate hybrid camera. You know what? This Lumix S5 Mark II X is a pro spec video camera, right? But actually, this is also a great photography camera. I know this has only like a 12 megapixel, something like that, but the photography performance, the color, and you know, this shutter sound, the whole photography experience is just satisfying with this camera. Just love it. The dog is walking. どう行くの？撮影中ですけど。撮影中なんで静かにしてもらえますか? What I'm saying is, just please be quiet because I am recording. And he just went back to his bed. Because S5II has the amazing photography performance like color and real-time LUT and 24 megapixel, continuous shooting, high resolution mode, 96 megapixel. Of course, this S5IIX has the exact same abilities and functions. Okay, so to sum up, this photography performance and this video performance, what else can do those at the same time? I can't come up anything right now. This S5IIX can do both video and photo equally at the super high level. I think this S5IIX has the best hybrid performance. I mean, this best is not like a casual best that YouTubers always say. I mean it, like real best. S5II and S5IIX, which should you get? Which is better for you? So S5IIX is $2,200 and S5II is $2,000. So technically there is about $200 difference. Is it worth it? Personally, I think so. If I have to buy either of cameras, I definitely choose S5IIX. The video function that I showed you is more than $200. So even if you don't need that pro spec video function right now, still I think it's great to have for the time when you need them in the future. If you don't shoot videos at all, like zero video, it doesn't have to be even S5II. So what if you do, let's see, 70% photography, 30% videography, go for S5II. 50% and 50%, that is very hard. You know, that depends on what you shoot, how you shoot, maybe S5II, maybe. But 60% video, 40% photography, go for S5IIX. What I want to say is this $200 will be the good investment for your future as the creator. Okay, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna make a couple of more S5IIX related videos, especially those lenses. You know, they sent me interesting lenses like a 14 to 28 mil f4 to 5.6, 18 mil f1.8. Look at this compact lens, but it has 18 mil 1.8. So stay tuned for them. But anyway, how was it? Me? I want it. Genuinely, I want it. I guess I'm not gonna completely switch to Lumix by ditching Sony. Still, I have many situations that I have to shoot on Sony because most of the cases, that shooting environment is Sony. Like, everyone is using Sony. So I have to use Sony to, match that color. And also, you get more lens choices. But also, I wanna have this for my personal content creation like YouTube and Instagram. This can take the place of Blackmagic 6K, which I always use for them and the client work that I do by myself, like a solo operation. I don't know what to call, but you know, Alon. The massive reduction of size and weight, and also this got amazing autofocus and image stabilization. But now I already got the system, and this costs like over $2,000, so that won't happen right now. But yeah, let me consider maybe selling this Blackmagic 6K to buy Lumix S5IIX. I don't know. Lumix, you know what to do. Okay, this is it. If you have any questions, just shoot me anytime, anywhere. And if you like this video, show me a thumb and hit the subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao.